a tutorial for creating a Firebase project with Firestone and off. We needed a name for it, so we're going to call it Jucalox. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to create a new project. We're going to create a new app. We're going to create a Firestore instance within that. And then we're going to authorize Google login and copy the config file into here. Let's add the project. Jucalox is what we're going to call it. Continue. I'm going to disable the Google Analytics. That way I won't have to use my credit card to set it up. And create the project. This will create it on the Spark plan, which is free. Checklist. Okay, so next thing is need to create a new app. We go here to the web. I want to create, again, Jucalox is what we're going to call it. We're going to register that. Oh, and we are going to need hosting. So, we need to register that. And next. Yeah, you'll need to follow all these things if you haven't done already. And then next thing we'll do is create a Firestore instance. Go to the database tab, create the database, start in production mode. Sounds good. Sounds good. Take the defaults. Next thing we need to do is set up authentication. Yeah. Hit the authentication tab. Set the sign-in method. We're only going to authorize Google, so we click Google, then we enable it. Have to give it an email address. And then we need to copy the config file contents into the text editor because we're going to need that later. Project settings. Go to the config. This is what we needed here. This config. Copy it in there. And we should be set up and ready to use this.